no. Hello, good morning Kuromi and mymelody. Today I will go on a picnic. Do you want to come? No, I want to sleep. Okay, bye-bye. Which class do I choose to go on a picnic today? Yes, I like red. Wow, I'm very beautiful. No. Hey Cinnamoro, will you come with me on a picnic? Melody said she wants to sleep at home. I will invite Poo Poo to a picnic. No, Hellokitty, you can't let Poo Poo out of the house or he might get lost. Okay, no problem. I didn't invite him. Goodbye, Cinnamoro and mymelody. Before I going on a picnic, I will buy food and drinks. Which one do I choose? I want lemonade. Yes, I like lemonade. I don't like ice cream or croissant, and now I'm going to buy matcha cake. Yay! Wow! Melody and her sister also went on a picnic, and you brought a lot of food. I only brought this, and you guys brought that much. Looks like there's no place for me here. Okay, I'll go somewhere else. Hello, Cinnamoro. What are you doing? Hi, Kuromi. What are you doing? Surely both of you will be very happy having a house by the beach. We were both enjoying this beach, looking at the view, Melody. Okay, enjoy, friend. This afternoon, I will come to your house, Kuromi. Oh no! Look at Kuromi and mymelody on this beach. Wow, there are lots of fish here. Can I join you, mymelody and Kuromi? Yes, please sit next to Kuromi, Hellokitty. Okay. Hey, Kuromi, you got one fish? Wow. Oh no, it's raining very hard. Where do we take shelter, Kuromi? We don't need to take shelter, Hellokitty. Just enjoy this rain. Okay, Kuromi. Hey, Melody, would you like a lemonade drink? No, thank you, Hellokitty. I have a strawberry drink. Hey guys, do you want matcha cake? If If not, I will eat. No, thank you. I just want to enjoy the rain on the beach. Okay, friends, that's all for today's story. Thank you for watching and enjoy the